What's the word, Mopar gang? It's your boy Mopar Mally back with another video, man. I'm here at this car meet right now. It's busting, I ain't gonna lie. I'll see the Scat, man. But yeah, man, so I'm finna be recording some of this footage, man. Bring y'all along with me while I'm at this car meet, man. It turned the flash on? This go crazy though, right here. I like Mustangs. Mopar gang, I drove an hour and a half to come here, man. So y'all better enjoy this video, dog. Man. Huh? I don't like that. That's kind of dark to me. Oh, God. No cussing on YouTube. I should have parked over here with the Scats. I'm finna go over there. This look like Josh Whip. They got some nice whips out here though, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Man, they got them whips out here, man. Let's go by them, what's the name? Them Scats. Check out this Scat right here, y'all. God. Go crazy. Look at this Scat right here next to my Scat. Scats on Scats, man. That wide body with the slim body Challenger, man. Check out the Audi R8, man. Yeah, Mopar gang, so we chilling out here, man. I'm trying to see. They said they might race or something, so we're trying to see what's going on, man. Y'all see me, we out here, man. We out here. I don't even come outside, man. I'm doing this for the Mopar gang.
What is that?
I don't even know.
It's probably an RP. That's what it looked like.
I would imagine. But a wide body, not a wide body RT.
He did that himself. That's probably a kick he got. You can tell, you see the screws in it. No muffler, baby. No muffler. Know that next time.
That ain't no nigga. Right?
You got that roto fab. I was gonna see if he got headers on this bitch. That's what really matters.
gang, it's rocking, man. It's rocking. More and more cars pulling up. We got a ZL1 right here, man. He was just trying to race.
Just to get the bag, they gotta stall it. We gotta. You'll see that. It sounds perfect.
All type of stuff.
Don't get this right I like. You like little gay shit. Oh, that's different, bro. Y'all
Man, he'd leave somebody in this.
This Grand National.
Yeah, it's pretty square compared to this. This is a semi. This is a dome.
It's probably not a Grand National. That's probably a nah. You know.
We at the gas station, man. Them whips out, man. Look at this. Hold on, I'm finna show y'all this Ferrari. Got a Scat right here. Man, look at this, though. Man. Man, they got them whips out here, man. You see the Scat right here. Got them whips out, man. Got them whips out. Let me get back to y'all in a minute. 1,200 horsepower in this. 1,200. This wrap like shining on the camera. The grill look good, but I ain't gonna lie. We're at Mopar gang, man. We on our way to the next location, so I'm gonna hit y'all when we get to that next location, man. I'm gonna try to get y'all some driving footage though. Gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm tired, man. I just got back to Wisconsin. I'm finna go lay down, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, though, man. More to come, man. Mopar gang, I'm out.